In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover a electric blanket. So check this out, everybody. This is by a company, EHEYCIGA, and I have had products from this company before and they have been extremely high quality. So I went ahead and got me an electric blanket, which is really cool that they make these things because I love me a good electric blanket in the wintertime. It's becoming fall here and I'm going to be doing more kind of camping and outdoor type camping, and I love having an electric blanket because I have a power converter box that I run an electric blanket off of, and it works just perfect. So I ordered this and I'm going to unbox it and show y'all exactly what you get when you order one of these. Rolling it over and going over the specs, you know, it has a 10-hour and it's got an on and off shut off on it, a auto off shut off, and it's got 6 heat temperature settings. It's machine washable. It has got quick heating coils. It's got the leakage protection setting on it, and it's got a comfortable material, which is like a fleece type comfortable material. And here's kind of the controller where you'll adjust it. So yeah, and that's all you got on the box. So let me go ahead and open the box and show y'all exactly what you get when you get one of these. So let's look at it now. It's delivered in this vacuum sealed package. You can see they vacuum seal package it up. Let me go ahead and cut it out of this package and see what it looks like when it's out of the package. Okay, everybody, I just cut it out of the package so I can just tell y'all this thing feels absolutely amazing. It has kind of like this sheep's type fuzz on the inside, and it's a fleece liner on the outside. It comes with 2 of these little connectors right here, and you see the type of pin connectors that it have on it. Right here is a set of instructions on, you know, how to machine wash it. This is machine washable. Do not use bleach on it for best results. Air dry, use it on lines. But look how cool this looks. This thing feels absolutely amazing. Right now I am extremely impressed on the quality of this thing. This thing does not feel cheap at all. And you get a little set of instructions that are like rolled up in here and just going over the instructions. So I have the queen, and the queen is 84 inches by 90 inches in width and length, and the rated power is a 110 watt times 2. The number of controllers, you get 2 controllers on it. Timer settings is 1 to 10 hours, and it has an auto shut off on it. And then everything else is just a lot of precautions and type setups, and it gives you some good ideas on how to like use the controllers. You can use it on 2 different types of settings right there. Okay, everybody, I got my, this is a 700 watt power portable power box, so this thing will handle it easy because this is only goes up to 110 of power. You get these plugs right here and you're just going to plug it in. It just pops down into place like that. It has like a little like push thing right there, so you can't unplug it by accident in the middle of the night. Okay, now that I got it plugged in over there, I'm gonna go ahead and look over it here. So turning it on, I don't know if you can see it in the camera here. You got what looks like 9, 7, 8, 9. So it looks like the temperature, so we're on temperature 1, and timer, I can go up to 10 hours on the timer. And over here's the temperature setting, so I can go up to 6 on the temperature. So 6, and then I can go to 10 hours on the timing. Pretty simple, very basic setup, just a basic electric blanket. And you can feel the cords in it, but they're not like overly stiff. It's a very, look how easily this thing just kind of like leans up like that. And it feels great. I've got it on right now. I can slightly feel it heating up already. It is a little warm outside, so I can't really tell. I do have it on number 6, so it's got a fast heat up on it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the EHEYCIGA electric blanket. See you guys in the next video. Woo!